Today I want to talk about what I find to be the best GoPro quick release for my Hero 10 Black. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Gadgets with Alan. Today I'm going to talk about a GoPro quick release mount for my GoPro Hero 10 Black or any GoPro camera for that matter. A lot of time I use my Hero camera on my chest mount while I was cycling. The most common issue that I have with mounting a GoPro Hero on my body or anywhere for that matter is to dismount it. I've been searching online for a quick release solution for my GoPro Hero, and of the many alternatives that I found online, I find this Ulanzi quick release is one of the best. It's easy to mount and dismount all with a one-hand operation. So first of all, if you're going to mount it, it's very easy. The base of the mount works exactly like a regular GoPro mount. First, you slip it into the chest plate and you can release the top part and attach it to underneath your camera. And all you need to do is just twist the camera and lock it in. Another useful situation is where you mount the camera on your helmet. So instead of fidgeting the mount with your two hands on the helmet, you will basically, again, one-hand operation, twist it off the helmet, just as I've demonstrated on my chest mount. The only shortcoming that I find for this mount is that it's made entirely out of plastic and it's very light. So I don't think it can withstand a very strong vibration when mounted on, let's say, a mountain bike. You're going through a very challenging trail or fast downhill. So I would not really recommend for very extreme sports or activity. So this is a quick and simple review for the Ulanzi quick release for GoPro, and if you are interested in it, you will find the link in the description below. If you like this video, please do like and share, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!